year when Oloma Rose and Whitney Chidima, both from Hotel Sunshine, have the marketing personnel. So on a demi for banana, one from the horse's mouth, right? I don't get why I line now. For the name of so Igbo, even though I'm Igbo. Yes, but if I'm gonna have another tell everybody, I am a mix here up. As Kotapani was one when they would have on the try buying, have on the buy, and I feel like we find name. So the very important now carry far along. So Fundibuna had to share in the experience, the beautiful experience, Hotel Sunshine Cholini, and apart from the karaoke, the sunshine, Sunday sunshine, and then the Akara experience, how we're more, right? So have you throw light into it. Thank you for coming, Dalo. Thank you, Oloma Rose.
Thank you.
Winitonugi.
Thank you.
All right, Whitney Chimdimma. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you so much.
If we're beautiful, beautiful girls. Because I went roadblock today, right?
Yeah.
When I got
I got it.
any government, if I find girls now, I'm run a roadblock. When I got a couple of show tomorrow.
No man, we live.
Oh, gay, color boy, color from the east, gay, their life, So if you go for fair, we need to go on. I was begging them. Now you have your biko, have me here now. We need to know how to take one collab. Who like each other fine boys? Why?
Who don't like better thing?
Abi. Now why we can't carry better thing? I do better thing. Where be the experience. So project here. My producer and soon project because I know live on YouTube.
Okay.
Yes, so because can't do make me if I need. All right, so because throw more lights. Anyway, Akara experience. Anyway, Akara Express.
Actually.
Anyway, hot Sunshine Sunday. And then we karaoke night, my favorite part. Even though Nana go only how much your boss. Oh no, I know the lyrics. So no, don't worry. Not just for the fun. So and when more things to offer us.
Okay, for this Christmas, this season coming up, we have our AFCON Champions League that's starting on 21st to
21st of this
December.
That's
18th,
tomorrow.
Yes,
Okay.
to 18th January, and it's going to be taking place at our Kenny Sports Bar.
Okay.
We have a large screen for football lovers that will come in and have a beautiful view, get to network with other football lovers as well.
Okay.
So it's going to start from 6 till whenever the match ends, and subsequently when there will be any other match, you're free to come in at Kenny Sports Bar, Hotel Sunshine in Ogun.
Okay, so it's more like tomorrow with the unveiling of the football lovers, whether it's the AfroCon or whatever other match.
AFCON match.
AFCON.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm an Afro. But it is what it is. To my satisfaction. AFCON. I'm an name with AFCON. Afro can be an infusion name, so it can be anything. But it's the AFCON match. So on a video from tomorrow for football lovers. They're gonna handle of our sports period. And this Vote FM, our sports time go from 8 till 9.
Okay.
So we have a massive fan base for footballers here. So it's an opportunity for them. That I collaborate now, partner with Hotel Sunshine to actually come and have their viewing center at the place. Any other thing I may expect? Whitney is the man. Witness where I give me go to over first. When I give my lord, but not I put a good professionally. I went over the name. Witness know where you would name. Where's the air? As how from where to where? But now, Chidimma now.
No, Chimdimma.
Chimdimma now. When you know where you would never say Chidimma correct, but you can imagine. Chimdimma now. Any other thing the Hotel Sunshine way for us?
Okay, so we're still on our Sunshine Sunday.
Okay.
So this is like an every Sunday event. So what do you expect at Sunshine Sunday? You come in, you pay 20,000 as an adult, and whatever choice of food you want, you can go to the decks and pick, and you feel like you're not satisfied. Okay, Jerome, you go back again. You start all over again. Nobody's stopping you. It's like from 12 to 4, you are free to eat
Eat
as
whatever.
much as you want. If you say, oh, I'm going to taste everything on the buffet today, you are free to. So you have the right to access the buffet as many times you want and no limitations. Then it also comes with complimentary Chapman
Okay.
in the house and free swimming. So for the
Free swimming.
yes, for the
Now,
swimmers
give me
like me.
20K one.
Yes. So for the swimmers like me, I look forward to just the swimming.
If I can say this, then you be like, say, I be one carry, I be one come alone, but I go carry +1 this time. Swimming involved.
Exactly.
Wow.
So from the dining to
You
the
know,
pool.
to the pool, to relieve and release.
If I go change I go.
Eh, that's your tokwazo.
Bam,
Exactly.
Okay. Okay, when I no go and so on I come on at the hostess mouth. If rock about swear kowala, what could I'm no swimming, Jenna the package teacher. I don't know so the buffet.
It's part of it.
It's part of it. And this is the best a woof can go like that you can get. All right, so the Akara experience, what comes with the Akara Express rather, what comes with it? Whitney.
Okay.
Igbo the Kagema no onye some no mara aswi.
Baba Choromasu. So the Akara Express is basically what it is. An express service of Akara. You come in Saturday morning, 7 to 10. It's more like it's breakfast, outside breakfast.
Okay.
So we do have this buffet setting downstairs for the in-house for their breakfast. But we have people that, oh, this is what they like, especially when we have more of Hausa, Yorubas, and all that. So we want to make those in Enugu still feel at home, even while the breakfast is going on. So you come in and we have this on the menu. We have Akara, we have the Classic Express and the Combo Express. So the Classic Express is just Akara or Moi Moi. So you get to choose whichever one you want.
What comes with this Akara?
That's what I'm getting to. So it's served with either pap or custard. And then normally your sugar, your milk, or your honey, whatever you want for it. That's for the Akara. That's for the Express, Classic Express. So now for the Combo Express, my favorite. That one is.
I think I'm gonna like me.
I
I noticed Combo your favorite. The Papa fine girl.
Okay. So the Combo Express is Akara. Basically what's in the Classic Express. But now there's French toast, which most people love. I love the taste of cinnamon in French toast. So there's French toast. There's our sunshine pepper sauce.
French toast.
Jesus.
Are you a chef?
Inata bread.
No,
Huh?
today.
Inata bread.
I don't matter bread. They toast.
Oh, French
You're
toast,
far
yeah.
from
You not draw serious. People can never be serious. They do ordinary bread and slice and see a toast. So all our
He's
French.
not-
You
no,
may
no,
not
no,
do
no,
the
no, he's not.
Nah,
He's
so
not.
Ababa.
He's not.
Akwaburia.
He's not.
Wakawa
He's
for
not.
sale.
So French toast is actually very flavored.
Okay.
There's cinnamon. There's egg. You don't just toast the bread raw. Nata bread.
Raw bread, Okay.
So the French toast, there's egg, there's milk, there's cinnamon, and all of these are
Packed inside the bread before toasting.
yes. So it's very rich, enhanced with flavors and all that. You're just going to enjoy it.
Okay.
The texture, the feeling in the mouth is wonderful. Especially when it's done by our chef.
Unlike any my toast chair, where they are quite do it konye name ya
You sure you need toast to kill
You that walk. Okay.
All right.
So it comes with the French toast and it comes with our sunshine pepper sauce. Then it still comes with choice of eggs, scrambled egg, omelette, whatever you feel best to go with your French toast. It comes with that. And as usual, served with pap or custard. Then we still have fish on the menu.
Inside this combo.
No, it's a menu of its own. So
Okay.
most people like eating fish. Where
Yeah.
there's pepper sauce, there's fish. Where there's bread, there's fish. Basically something like that. So it's still available on the menu for fish lovers.
Okay. All right. So una no go make the combo. Unlike any one boy toast bread, right? I come expect them on can toast to them kind of French. Okay. All right. Thank you for that insight. So now that you people know, for Ndibuna, I said it's opening on a church. You got church every 8, 9, and at every 12, 1. This is an opportunity for you to actually not go home hungry and start
thinking
cooking.
of food to cook.
I'm telling you, I'm the last person you will give that
I
option.
guess so.
I don't like you singing that far go. It does not work. It can never tally. You understand? So
she said, let me stay at home so I will cook.
yes,
Have a
or
good
you're
church.
that husband, that caring husband, but you like taking your kids out after church. I had a cousin, Monia Bibu. I was on our church. I leave 1 hour for us. Somewhere by Nigeria. You understand? After church, then I have zero ages. One I still don't know. So many that people, please, that's please in Haga. I'm happy I try to hotel sunshine. I'm telling you, you're not going to be disappointed at the experience, and of course the breakfast, the Akara Express for people that had the Opera Square na anata. I promise you, you won't regret it. It's for the holiday and also by extension. And by extension, next year. All right. So I'm trying to get message na YouTube. So I'm sorry. All right. I'm trying with the messages soon on our YouTube. All the very very important so that we can answer. I think there is a question that came with it. Can we is a question? Whenever you'll be more question. Don't worry, I got somewhere. What a big deal. All right. So I need to Cecilia some good morning, Auntie Chinazo and guests in the studio. I'm interested in this one. Okay, we need Cecilia. Please indicate the one you're interested in, or better be interested in all of them. I'm where the Sunshine Sundays, the buffet experience every Sunday from 12 to 4 p.m. The name where the Akara Express from 7 a.m. till 10 a.m. The night where the karaoke. Oh, let's talk about the karaoke every Thursday.
Yes.
From 7 to 11.
Yes.
All right. So what is it like?
Well,
A lot of people now know karaoke. They don't know.
Okay.
I have never partaken in any. One egwu na studio but like going to have that karaoke feel, you understand? I've never had it before. I've never, but I'm a humble. It's organized there, but I've never like held the microphone sing and go in a public. Who dash monkey banana? May they laugh, give me. So because explain Olufa, Oloma, explain Olufa that karaoke nights.
Okay, so the karaoke is just like you said, singing. You come, no one is expecting you to be perfect. They just want you sing your heart out, have fun. Basically, it's for you to come have fun and meet other people that can sing better than you as well. No pass like that.
So he na chika small bina no when them come.
Yes,
normally. All right, so I need Cecilia sim not on the full package. Next week Saturday, 7 a.m. till and when you go involved then can
the Akara Express. Okay, the Akara Express for the classic express, the express classic, we have that for a very affordable price, 5,000 naira.
Only.
Limited that one.
Okay.
For the combo package is 8,000 naira.
I check not 10. Okay, na nke self.
Is Akara now?
Yeah.
So we want everybody
to key in, to be able to actually experience it. Okay.
Have
So onye jeke Cecilia can back all again because I'm a like in 8,000 plus 20.
28.
Karaoke be free. Just be able to give your same when only on Thursday. Half 0. So on Sundays with 20k for adults, and then 10k for kids. All right. So because you're able an adult or 28,000, you're able a child, or 18,000. So come and get value for your money. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
So much.
What's your name? Introduce yourself again.
My name is Whitney Chimdima Samuel.
Thank you for coming.
And I'm Ani Oloma Chuku Rose.
Ani Oloma Chuku Rose. Thank you for joining me and itinye no aka n'ime ime okwu a wee wepụta ya gbarie ya otu ndị mmadụ ga-esi wee ghọta ya. So all the very very and how very beautiful halls. How many halls could we ever?
We have 2 halls.
2 halls.
Yes.
Any difference between the 2 halls?
Okay, yes. The first hall is capacity of 500.
Okay.
The second hall is a capacity of 200 persons.
Okay.
And we have the sky view. That's the one of 200. It has a beautiful view, especially at night for our.
What the name called the name?
Nenu.
Hey,
That's why
equal
it's called
view.
the sky view now.
Oh, equal view. Just the view made me to understand self, not the name. That's why I had to ask to be doubly sure. Okay, then the other one.
Is downstairs.
Our
It's
dear wonderful.
D1 hall.
Which is-
Capacity of 500
Okay.
persons.
So
yes.
200 should be more of just small crowd.
Yes.
Okay. Why the
Get
normal
together.
no one na na January?
Imagine the view at night.
You know that kind of thing.
John Legend.
You know-
Oh God.
Saturday, Akara Express before my wedding, church wedding.
True,
Then
you love food though.
Me, don't play. Do not play with me when it comes to food. Egwu. So on Sunday like this, I have potassium after Thanksgiving. Potassium for the
Birthday. Hey.
for the Sunday sunshine.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
When you're done, you now swim.
with my better half. Oh, if all they are total, I don't know like crazy beef. And that reminds me of Ken Eric's Mwa Demma. I really love the song. And Chetana, every Saturday, I always congratulate people taking the bold step to the next level. Or there is this nature, nature spend the rest of your life with one person, waking up to the same annoying person every day. So, all a very good step in the right direction. And you know the right person anyway. So, if you know, and teaching us Monday to Friday, so man, choose the right partner. Mara what you're doing, anyasa. Marifi na-eme ka have ibu at the end of the day. Ibewe more than the bereaved. You can't onye nwụrụ anwụ ebe akwa. Don't do like that. Happiness is supposed to come with marriage. So if ọ bụla ị na-eme today bụ Saturday, ma ndị na-eme wedding, ndị na-eje eje, ndị bụ na ha bụ guest, cheta that you have to smell nice, you have to look good, you have to work excellently. Mara ebe your contact, your next contact si apụta. Be nice, chịpụ ọchị, especially ọ bụ na ị kpasara afịa. Chịpụ ọchị, ịkpasa afịa whether not good to onwe gị, as nwaanyị dị single, enubedi ịka bụ afịa. So be nice, be gentle, with a good approach. Mara who to talk to, how to talk, and when to talk. That's very, very important. So right here, engaging one them Ken Eric's featuring mobiles, we're seeing the guests in when at the house. Bye bye. If you find girls, John can you go maybe share rotation, don't worry. John will still tell me I ain't take them, but no Allah. Cause the MSM when I chetela this is bye bye in Ije Afia. Ndewo. So I'm assuming Obuni stream bear, video stream we are now. Video stream we are now. Ken Aries featuring mobiles. Mwademma. Stream where it's a very beautiful song. Obuni gegia kita no ige ozo gipatia. Hey, you got this so carried away. So jisini ke who stream where on all platforms. Each you go to YouTube, or na YouTube, or na Spotify, or na Boomplay, or the every of the streaming platforms. Alright, so tupu na because time emezikora apụ achọrọ m inwe a round up of ndị niile nji maka ha wee bịa today. Sunshine, Hotel Sunshine, like 3 packages today. Sunshine 3, actually 4, because help with maka the AFCON match ha ga-ebido tomorrow. Ha nwere Sunshine Sundays, the buffet experience from 12 noon to 4 p.m. 20k per adult, 10k per child. Ha nwere the Akara experience, the Akara Express, every Saturday from 7 a.m. till 10 a.m. Ha nwere the karaoke night every Thursday to 7 p.m. Line Igedwe want the probably try book any of this ahead of time. The 0909 900 0230 0909 900 0230 more 0915 079 2175. Kaijana Wine Press Trading Services Limited, where the real solar world is. Hane import, hane lele, hane install, hane repair. Now, if you want to think solar, think Wine Press Trading Services, ranging if any hanele, but from solar panels of all sizes, inverters, charge controllers, batteries, solar CCTV cameras, solar fans, solar street lights, solar floodlights, solar generator. Now, their services were top-notch, guaranteed and trusted. Each of the services in Lagos, Jena 58 Gos Power Plaza, International Market. Or Nijena, their office in Enugu, New Power Plaza, Shop 13, by Ogui Police Station. Line Igejwe Watiabu 0806 028 1947. 0806 028 1947. Now it's your consultation, it's your free advice, so it's your whatever it is that you want about solar or Wine Press today. Okay, help, okay, link up with anything about solar. Ever can get you bye coordinate sorry yo, call the Monday. Call the Monday. Kaburu basozo mununga anonye na Volt 104.3 FM. Cheta na afọ mba ntichi na-azọ kitabi Ije Afia mana anyị na-asị gị bye maka na oge anyị agwụgo. Ebe ọbụla na wege m ntị asị gị daalụ, without you this wouldn't have been possible. So ka ọ dị na Monday, onye mara asụsụ ọ n'ikwu, onye amaghị asụsụ ọ na n'oriri ama ibu na-eji ibi ụgwọ agbacha ọsọ agụ ọmaịl, agbacha egwu ọ na nnukwu, ọ nọ na na-akụ mmiri ncha abaa gị anya, ihe asaa n'anya na-asị gị daalụ. Okay. How do I reduce